Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel TechWorld. And in this video I will show you guys that how you can configure the login screen of the latest KDE Plasma. Now you know probably if you have used KDE Plasma that it used previously the SDDM login manager, but now it uses its Plasma login manager and it is well integrated with the latest KDE Plasma release. So currently I'm using Fedora 44 with the KDE desktop, and you can see here that it is with KDE Plasma 6.7.2 version, and in this point release, that means 7.2, yes, 0.2, from this release we have an option, graphical option to configure the login screen. Yes, so no need to go back to the SDDM. Of course that this is a new option, so a much less customization you will get here, but at least you just allow to customize the login screen, because you know that KDE is famous for its customization, the most customizable desktop it is. Okay, so how you can customize the login screen? We are just coming straight to the point. So here is the system settings. You can see a lot of settings are there, and here in the section security and privacy you have this option login screen. You just click here, and here you can configure various things. You can enable automatic login with some user and with some session. In the Fedora I have also the GNOME desktop installed here, so Plasma and GNOME, two options you can see here. So if you don't want to automatically log in, you just uncheck it, no problem with that. And now here is the thing, apply Plasma settings. So in the login screen, what are the settings you will get? So suppose you can see that this will make the Plasma login screen reflect your customization. That means whatever you customize here, suppose I'm just showing you guys. Okay, see the color scheme. If you change the color scheme or the cursor theme and size and the font rendering and the Plasma theme, okay, and these things, if you change these things in your current desktop, so it will reflect in the login screen also. You have to just click the apply button. Now where you can change these things, you already know that, right? You have to go to the colors and themes, and here you can see these are the colors. So whatever color scheme you can choose from here, and the pointers, that means the mouse cursor. Okay, so you can choose a mouse cursor, and also the size. Here is the size, so it will reflect, and also the Plasma style. So this is the Plasma style, you can see. So all these things will be reflected in your login screen. And another thing what you can do, you can just configure the appearance or the background. You just click here, and a clock is there, so you can enable the clock. Yes, it looks nice, so I always enable this. And the wallpaper style, that is the background of the login screen. And of course you will get a blur effect in the background, and that looks amazing. So wallpaper type you can choose. So I prefer the image, and you can see the positioning, and you can switch to the dynamic wallpaper based on the day night cycle or the dark or light variant, because you know dual wallpapers are there for light and dark variants, right? You can see this is one, and also this is one. So these are the wallpapers. For one is for light theme, and one is for dark theme. So whatever you can choose. So suppose I'm just choosing this. Okay, this is the thing. I'm just apply. So you can apply, and this is an administrative task. So I have to hit the password, my administrative password, to take the effect. Now I have changed the background to this, and it will also change if I using the light theme or dark theme, it will change accordingly. And so all things are set up. Now how you can just see that, you have to just log out and then log in. So all things will appear in the new way, whatever you have changed. And also you can configure the screen locking. You can see this is the lock screen. So you can also configure the lock screen, and you can configure the appearance, that is the what is the background used by the lock screen. So you can also change this in a graphical way. If you think this video is valuable, then hit the like button and just write some comment. Thanks for watching guys, and see you in the next video very soon. Till then, take care and goodbye.